amasain si baile vekule hei July tha alo thlenga July le August hi kan omna lam kan rama chuanin thlai kan thar run pui ber tha ania hei ke ni pon kan thar tan ta ten karan share le ang che ule
Danny, what are we doing today? Right here on my camera. Okay.
This one away. Picking him is vegetable.
What vegetable? Say cucumber.
Cucumber.
Oh.
It's still over there, baby. Go get it.
Okay. Are we ready to pick up cucumbers and Changkha?
Changkha.
tun tum chu Finntea ka hruai chuak ve thei hlau mai hei Finntea ne kan han
All right, okay. You see those big cucumbers? We're gonna pick this here. Oh, alian to lutuka hey kan cucumber hi. Alian ngual lutuk hey pathum hi lian pui an oma. I'm gonna one at a time and cut it. Yeah, right there. And show me. So, see how big.
Finntea hi kum som pathum ani ve to run te nen hian kum li in anin thawani
Show me a bit there.
fel ve khop mai ni po tu ai hianin an zak zum thina
All right. Okay, get that basket. We'll go on the other side. There's and the bit there, it's hanging one right there. You see that? Yeah. Cut that. Oh yeah. It's prickly, right? Yeah. Okay. I think that's good right now. Let's go. We're gonna get the bitter gourd right now, okay?
khwa lum lu tu kan ni sa em a an na te chun che zo de ve ka ma se hei an la ra ve chu la ni hi lomam le mai boxi
Okay.
Changkha se mara to boka kan han lo ange
Tam lu tu ka lom tero. You see all this? Bitter gourd. Oh, ka Changkha. An lo lian ve to lu tu ka amain kala to tho boka.
heng ho hi ka kui tri ma sak ho an ni a hei atira chuan an thalo viawa tuna chuan an ra ve tana lomam khop mai
Kan e khop chu kan oi. All right, that's good.
I'm just gonna stay still if I can, please.
Oh, okay. All right.
Oh wait, no, is this the one you want? There.
Yeah, we'll get that one too right there.
helai Changkha zam na hi kanu dam lai atang to in kan Changkha chin na ber ania kum tin kan chinga kanu in min boral san nu pon ki chho ve zela chang chuanin kalung leng thin khop mai hela hianin kanu su no hian kum tin hi hei kan ron ti chho ve zel chu ni a chang chuanin mit tui tlak te hi ala thleng fo ani nu te ngai hi chu bang don lo ni hi
Let me see how many. Can pick them little bit there. So we have more down there. So we'll go on the other side. We have more cucumbers to pick. Okay, lam thang lam ahen boka ma se hey. Ka Brussels sprout te hian lian khop maya Changkha le. Oh, yeah, it's sharp, right?
This one, right?
Yeah.
Fanghma hian hling alo nei deuh hlek ani hei Finntea po akuta Fanghma hling tle
Yeah,
ma
the
kai deuh
cucumber.
ani.
Well, it's stuck into my mouth.
Oh, okay. Is it still there?
No, I got it out.
Okay.
Tun kuma
Avar chi.
chuan Bawkbawn hi avar chi le a hring chi ka chinga an lian vak lowa hei an ron ra ve tan to ani e.
It doesn't have to be all the way. It can be on this part of the stems. Okay, but then, and actually, get this one too. That one
Which one? Can't see.
right there.
Can't see. It's
Yes. Okay. Oh, I hate that moth fly.
this one.
Yeah, the bigger one. Yeah, good idea. It's very sharp, you know that, right? They pinch you.
See it.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, show me.
An thura tuilo tuk.
Until it.
An thur. Kaka an thur ni kha bite. Kan den te hi chu ba ngai lo ania.
Ole heng hi ka Fanghma le ka Changkha te vo in tlaya kan han lo ania a main tomato phei chu kan thar nem to viawa karon tilang lem lawa apoin tomato sauce te asiam to hei eggplant var te a om boka sam trok po hei an ron ra thana hei nuam ve khop mai he Fanghma pathum hi chu kan zuwa rei ve dewani hi dill pickle te kan sia mang kan ti hei ti hian.
Thanks for watching Emmy's channel.
Ole khati zong kha tu na tan chuan lo ni se kan lom em e ka channel te lo like in lo subscribe zel don ya. Thank you so much. God bless.